What is going on, guys? I am your crypto nerd, helping to navigate you through the turbulence of this crypto market currency. Well, first of all, let's take a look at today's market cap, which has recovered nicely within the last few days of turbulence. Within the last 7 days, it has reached its peak of around $825 billion. Now has steadily climbed, being back up, which is a good sign that the market is recovering. The main purpose of today's video is to discuss about EOS and perhaps its price projection. Last night it has made a huge spike of nearly $19, and EOS did not surprise anybody. Certainly it did not surprise me if you look at my past videos, especially the three currency that I recommended below. If you have $100 to invest, I did throw EOS in the mixed bag, and I originally wanted this currency to drop below $5, but again it did not, and it continues to climb, and now it has somewhat stabilized in around $15.48, which is still a really good buy right now because its market projection is phenomenon. So let's take a look at why EOS is performing so well. So first of all, through their Twitter feed, they are having an announcement that's currently underway in Korea, and that is one of the big thing that is really driving the prices of EOS to its all-time high, near its all-time high, which is almost $20. It's partnered up with a lot of awesome people. Richard Jung, former CEO of Bithumb, has now joined Block.one. This is their conference being underway in Seoul, discussing about the future of EOS. It's got a great potential. Beautiful websites with amazing infrastructure for decentralizing applications. It is beautiful. It is really one step above any other cryptocurrency that is in mind. So the price projection for EOS looks really good, based on walletinvestor.com price projection, which I totally agree with. And this is one of the things that really stood out to me about a week ago when I was looking up my graph and looking at this bullish pattern that I should have jumped in earlier, but I did not, which is still okay because I'm able to jump in at around $12, which isn't too bad. Current price right now is 15.7, which has really flattened out, which has reached its what we call the mean value of the function. It has crossed its critical point, now reached to the inflection point, and now has just kind of minimized that information. So it turns out that its price forecast is pretty good. In 1 year, expect to double your money in 1 year. From 15.7 to $34, and then the 5-year forecast is also pretty good as well. So you're looking at about a really good chunk return of 2 to 3 times return a year from now, or 3 to 4 times return from the $15 mark, which is an amazing price for this EOS cryptocurrency. So its ranking is also in the top 10, and that's also another indicator that it has a really good popular amongst the investors. Look at the volume within the last 24 hours. $3 billion trade, over $3 billion trade within the last 24 hours. Its supply, it also has a cap max supply of 1 billion coins. So that's also a good sign. Currently, it is up just about 7%, but I believe that, again, within the next few months, this price will continue to climb, especially once all these conferences are now set in. People will start to kind of flock through and to EOS a little bit more. So I think that in the next few months, of course, by the end of the year, you're looking at a $30 to $34 coin, but by the next few months, you're looking at about $20 to $25 coin. So it would be a no-brainer to hold this coin if you have purchased it early. If you haven't, and your goal is to double your money, then this is also now a pretty good time to jump in at this coin. That is my 2 cents for you. Subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you in the next video.